The 2025 Toyota CHR is shaping up to be an exciting and futuristic addition to the subcompact crossover market. With its distinctively bold design, expected advancements in technology, potential hybrid options, and an emphasis on safety and efficiency, it's no wonder that many car enthusiasts and buyers are eagerly awaiting its release. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll walk through everything we can expect from the 2025 Toyota CHR, including its exterior design, interior comfort, technology, performance, safety features, and overall market positioning. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest car reviews and insights. Exterior design. Let's begin with the exterior asterisk, which is always one of the standout features of the CHR. The current generation of the Toyota CHR has always been known for its bold, edgy design that really sets it apart from other subcompact crossovers. The 2025 model is expected to take that futuristic and aggressive design philosophy to the next level. The front end of the 2025 CHR will likely feature a larger and more pronounced grille, which aligns with the current design trends seen in other Toyota models like the RAV4 and Highlander. Expect sleek, sharp LED headlights that give the vehicle a more menacing and high-tech appearance. These headlights may integrate into the grille for a more seamless, modern look. The sharp lines and creases along the sides of the car, combined with a sporty, sloping roofline, will likely enhance its coupe-like styling. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates on the 2025 CHR and other upcoming cars. Interior comfort and design. Now, moving on to the interior. The Toyota CHR has always been praised for having a cabin that feels modern and premium, despite its compact size. The 2025 model is expected to improve upon this with updated materials and a focus on driver and passenger comfort. Seating for 5 will remain, with ample room for both the driver and front passenger, and reasonable comfort for rear seat passengers. Given the compact dimensions of the CHR, the rear seats may still feel a little snug, but Toyota is likely to focus on maximizing space efficiency. The front seats are expected to come with additional support, possibly with more customization options like power-adjustable settings, heating, and ventilation on higher trims. Quick reminder, if you want more in-depth reviews and discussions about the latest car models, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Infotainment and technology. The technology in the 2025 Toyota CHR will be one of its key selling points. The vehicle will most likely feature an upgraded infotainment system, with a large touchscreen as the centerpiece. In previous models, Toyota has offered screens ranging from 8 to 10 inches, but for the 2025 version, we could see a *12.3-inch touchscreen as standard or available in higher trims. This would offer a more user-friendly interface with sharper graphics and quicker responsiveness. The infotainment system will certainly include Apple CarPlay *, Android Auto *, and Amazon Alexa integration, allowing drivers to stay connected on the go. Wireless connectivity will likely become standard, and Toyota may also include a wireless charging pad for added convenience. If you're interested in more reviews and breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on the latest car tech and features. 4. Powertrain and performance. When it comes to performance *, Toyota is likely to offer a couple of different powertrain options. Historically, the CHR has been powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, which provides decent fuel economy and enough power for city driving. The 2025 model may continue with this engine, but there could be improvements in terms of efficiency or tuning for slightly better performance. What's really exciting is the potential for a hybrid powertrain. Toyota has been increasingly offering hybrid variants across its lineup, and the CHR seems like a perfect candidate for a fuel-efficient hybrid model. If introduced, the hybrid version of the CHR would likely pair a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor, offering a combined output of around 180 to 190 horsepower. This hybrid setup would not only improve fuel economy but also provide more torque for better acceleration, especially in stop-and-go city driving. Fuel efficiency in the hybrid model could be in the range of ** 40 to 45 miles per gallon mpg***, which would be a significant advantage in the subcompact crossover segment. The addition of a hybrid powertrain would also align with Toyota's commitment to reducing emissions and offering more environmentally friendly vehicle options. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in more content about fuel-efficient cars, hybrids, and electric vehicles. There's plenty more coming your way. Safety features. Toyota is known for offering a comprehensive suite of safety features across its models, and the 2025 CHR will be no different. The vehicle will come equipped with Toyota Safety Sense *, which is the company's bundle of advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS). This suite will likely include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, additional safety features, such as blind spot monitoring *, rear cross traffic alert *, and a *360-degree camera system *, will probably be available on higher trims. These systems work together to provide drivers with better awareness of their surroundings and help reduce the risk of accidents. For more safety feature breakdowns and reviews on how these systems perform in real-world driving, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Market positioning and competition. Now, let's talk about where the 2025 Toyota CHR will fit into the market. The CHR occupies the subcompact SUV category, which has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its perfect balance between the convenience of a small vehicle and the added space and utility of an SUV. The 2025 CHR will compete with models like the Honda HR-V ***, Mazda CX-30 ***, Kia Seltos ***, and the Hyundai Kona. Each of these competitors offers a mix of style, efficiency, and practicality, so Toyota will need to ensure that the CHR stands out by continuing to offer unique design elements, advanced technology, and possibly a hybrid option to attract eco-conscious buyers. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota CHR is expected to start at around $25,000, which keeps it competitive with other vehicles in the subcompact SUV segment. Higher trims with more features, including the possible hybrid model, could push the price closer to $35,000. This pricing structure will allow Toyota to cater to both budget-conscious buyers and those looking for a more premium experience. If you're liking this comparison and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on the latest cars hitting the market. Conclusion. To wrap things up, the 2025 Toyota CHR is set to be an impressive addition to the subcompact SUV market. Its bold exterior design, advanced technology, potential hybrid powertrain, and extensive safety features make it a strong contender for buyers who want a stylish, practical, and efficient vehicle. Whether you're an urban driver looking for a compact SUV that stands out in a crowd or someone interested in reducing your carbon footprint with a hybrid option, the 2025 CHR is shaping up to offer a versatile package. Toyota has consistently delivered reliable, well-equipped vehicles, and the 2025 CHR is expected to continue that tradition. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest car reviews and news.